So he fattened me up. And I'm here with you, devoted to us.
You weren't devoted too much.
Wow.
Let's think about it. You wasn't devoted too much.
You're so petty.
I'm not petty.
You're so petty.
Yeah.
You're so petty, like...
Call it what you want.
Here's your sister, Brittany.
We played a game of Uno, dumbass Uno, and then all the things. Next thing I know, we go to the dispensary, we smoke a blunt, you know, the blue dream. So we start smoking, and he's telling me, "Oh, you're the better sister.
Upgrade.
Oh, you
she's
look
the
better
upgrade?
than her. You're nice. All she does is nag."
She's the upgrade.
Like that's not my fault.
She's
you
the
gotta
upgrade.
get it together to keep your man.
I gotta get it. No, you
Yeah,
gotta
bitch.
get it together. Get your own man. Get your own man. Get your own man. Okay. Yeah,
I can't help it.
All right,
I
fine.
can't help it.
Okay.
You know how much our relationship means to me.
And I care about you. I love you. I did it for you.
How did you do that for me, Brittany?
If he did it with our niece, and then he's gonna do it with me, you're gonna leave him anyway.
It doesn't matter. That's for me to decide.
You don't want to be with him.
You can't tell me what I
But
want.
she is your sister.
She is.
You must have known that sleeping with my sister's husband is wrong.
It's wrong, but I have feelings too.
Oh.
I have a child. I go through stuff, you know what
Sure.
I mean? I've
Do
been
you
single.
wanna be with him?
I'm the younger Brittany. I'm Brittany. I already have to
You're
live
the
up
younger
to this.
Brittany. Exactly.
So I need my own.
Your own, exactly, not mine.